What's in your pantry challenge? I'm challenging myself to create a gourmet meal using only ingredients commonly found in your pantry. Share a list of your pantry staples in the comments, and I'll transform them into a delicious recipe. Give me a recipe 8-minute tutorial or longer. Here's a recipe for a delicious pasta primavera using common pantry staples. Pantry pasta primavera. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 4 cloves garlic, minced. 4 1 onion, diced. 5 2 cups mixed vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchini, carrots, and broccoli, chopped. 6 1 can, 14.5 ounces, 411 g, diced tomatoes, drained. 7 1 teaspoon dried Italian herbs, oregano, basil, thyme. 8 salt and pepper to taste. 9 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 10 fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: cook the pasta. 1 bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. 2 add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. 2 reserve 1 cup of pasta water, then drain the pasta and set aside. Prepare the vegetables. 1 while the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. 2 add the minced garlic and diced onion, and sauté until fragrant and translucent, about 2-3 minutes. 3 add the chopped mixed vegetables to the skillet and cook until they are tender crisp, about 5-6 minutes. Combine the ingredients. 1 once the vegetables are cooked, add the drained diced tomatoes to the skillet, along with the dried Italian herbs. 1 stir to combine. 2 season the mixture with salt and pepper to taste. Bring it all together. 1 add the cooked pasta to the skillet with the vegetable mixture. 2 toss everything together until the pasta is well coated with the sauce. 2 if the mixture seems too dry, add some of the reserved pasta water to loosen it up. 3 cook for an additional 1-2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Serve and garnish. 1 once the pasta is heated through, remove the skillet from the heat. 2 sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese over the top of the pasta and gently toss to combine. 3 transfer the pasta primavera to serving plates or a large serving dish. 4 garnish with freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and flavor. Enjoy your pantry pasta primavera. This pasta primavera is a versatile and delicious dish that can be customized based on the vegetables you have on hand. Feel free to experiment with different vegetable combinations and add-ins to suit your taste preferences. Serve it as a main course or as a side dish alongside grilled chicken or fish. Buon appetito!